Well, it came in the mail. I ordered this like days ago, but now it's on here. Huh? Oh, her face. So Pomni came in the mail. This. Sally and bubble tag. Wait, it's on. This is on her arm, but now it's on her head. I'm like, overall, she's pretty adorable. I like that stupid kid look at my face. Spot on me. Hold on, I gotta get something. I kind of made Jacko kind of small. We were gonna sit down, but overall, I think they're pretty good at each other. Here they are. The couple's finally reunited, and now kiss. Uh, actually, I brought those three things. One, support the show. Two, my fetish of ships. Free, because I like the show. So, anyways, pretty good to have this pomni plush. Pretty good to have her.